technology changes, technology advances, and now we are looking on the period where cloud really becomes important and becomes mature. It was a few years ago, we were just discussing about whether cloud could be helping us with our workflows. Now we know that it's happening, and it's not only about OBS, which has been one of the early adopters of cloud, but now it's about the whole MRH community. All the rights holders also now see the benefits of cloud. That's a huge, huge difference between just 3 years ago with the Tokyo Games. Now cloud becomes a mainstream way of distributing content, and in the context of a very, very big event like the Olympics. That's now where we see that a lot of the global audience is going to be consuming the Olympic content through distribution over the cloud. Satellite broadcasting has been around for years and has served us well, but it also comes with several inflexibilities. Cloud is much more flexible, it is much more cost effective, and it can allow global distribution in a much more effective way. Very, very big benefit has to do about cost. I mean, it's a far more cost-effective way of distributing content on a massive scale, globally. It has a global reach, same as a satellite, or sometimes even better, and allows also broadcasters to have much easier access to the whole content that we are offering. There is a big difference between what you can do for a small number of channels when you do satellite distribution and what you can do with cloud, which is essentially you can send out the whole live production that we are creating. Well, a great story was how the whole thing started. It was just 3 years ago in the Tokyo Games. There was one broadcaster that came very, very late, I would say on the last moment, with a very also demanding request of how to transmit their content back to their own country. Not only they wanted to have access to all our live content, but they wanted also to do it in UHD. Doing this in the last moment for the Olympics is a big challenge. That's where we first used cloud. We were, all of us, a bit stressed about whether it's going to be successful. And it was fantastic when we saw that everything went smooth. The broadcaster was extremely happy, and the result was beyond expectation. It's a great partnership. I mean, Alibaba Cloud not only is a very sophisticated and very high capacity cloud, but even more important for us, the people behind Alibaba Cloud can provide us the customization and the level of support that we need, which for a major event like the Olympics is essential. It's not only about having access to cloud and in the way that cloud normally works. It's all about also having a higher level of support. And this is not something that you find easily. So we started our journey together, and it was great really to work together with a professional team from Alibaba. We have a lot of exciting new applications based on AI working together with Alibaba. A great one is our multi-camera replay system. It is a very interesting way of producing content. We are having a 3D type of effect where we are freezing the action around the athlete, and we can go all around and see the details about their moves and how they are succeeding in competing. That is done with our collaboration with Alibaba, using their own Alibaba multi-camera replay tools. That's a great application, but there are more. One extremely exciting type of application is where you're using AI to enhance existing archival content from the past games. An excellent example of that is the colorization initiative that we are doing together with Alibaba when it comes to the Paris 2024 Olympic Games.